is our planet. We love the earth. It is our home. We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the earth. It is our home. Hi, I'm a baboon. I'm like
Solar lights are environmentally friendly, which can reduce air pollution. These are charged and powered up by the sun in a natural way. Solar energy is a renewable source of power, and it has an important role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change, which is critical to protecting humans, wildlife, and ecosystem.
I'm a fat fucking pig.
I'm a common fungus.
I'm a disgruntled skunk, shoot you out my butthole.
I'm a marijuana plant, I can get you fucked up.
And I'm Kanye West.
We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the earth. It is our home. We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the
Throwing garbage all over the place will not only dirty our surroundings and pollute the environment, making it very unhygienic, but also causes bad odors and encourage the infestation of cockroaches, flies, and other insects. There are various diseases caused due to poor maintenance of hygienic conditions. We know for a fact that the habits learned or followed at a young age get embedded into one's personality. It is very important, therefore, that adults set an example at home for children and are taught clean disposal of home waste. Need to make sure that we know proper disposal rules and read and understand the rules posted near the garbage chute. Children should be educated on the need for safe trash disposal. Residents need to take the initiative to correct others when they see improper disposals. Warnings, surroundings, neat and clean to help us live healthy and better lives and for a betterment of society.